Anaya?
Yeah, hi, it's me.
Yeah, long time. How are you? How's everything?
I'm fine, everything's good. Just a bit tiring. How about you?
Yeah, same. Feels like I'm always working.
Anyway, we should meet.
We should. Are you free this weekend?
No, not really. How about next week?
Next week then. See you.
Okay, see you.
Bye.
Never mind, I'll just text him next week only. And then, there were no texts or calls. We keep saying soon, like we're scared that meeting will remind us we're not the same. But sometimes, just keeping the old memories feels better than making new ones where everything has changed.